What you doing, little girl? Hmm? You getting into trouble? Are you getting into trouble? Where are you going? That closet doesn't lead anywhere. Mm-mm. Hey, Shorty. Hey, Shorty. Hi, Oliver. You like your snack, don't you? Oh, Evelyn's gonna take it away from you. You shoved the whole thing in your mouth. God. Where you going, Evelyn? Evelyn? You going in Oliver's room? Evelyn? Good job. You walked pretty far, little girl. You walked pretty far. Good job. Okay, Evelyn. It's sleepy time. My goodness, we got